So, and I brought some matte black spray paint. And we're gonna do what it do. So it should be here by tomorrow. Alright, hey y'all. So I said I ordered my stuff off of Amazon, the stuff that I need, but I'm going to Michael's just so I could see it in person if they have it. Let's see. Didn't come here for yarn, but they have plenty. I'm
calling you now just to make it through. Friends may come and friends may go. You should know that I got your back. It's automatic, so never hesitate to call.
Hey y'all, she back. So today I went on a little adventure. So in the previous clip, you'll see I had said that I was going to DIY my own bead garland. So I did. Oh, my feet hurt. I did go to Michael's just to see if they had the beads or whatever. They had some beads, and I showed y'all real quick in the video, but it wasn't as big as I wanted. So I'm glad that I ordered them off of Amazon, and they should be here tomorrow. So I ordered some wooden beads. It comes with 3 sizes in the pack. So it comes with the twine, which is good because it actually, now I don't have to go through trying to, my eyebrow look hella dark. One eyebrow look dark. I think it's the lighting. Hold on, y'all. These look like, I'm most likely gonna use these two. These two right here. The little ones, maybe not. But anyway, I got my sticks that I'm gonna need for that project. Y'all see me with my I'm trying out this wig, y'all. I got this wig from Amazon. It's a headband wig from Amazon. It could be a little thicker, but you know, this was for the cheap. This is what you're gonna get for the cheap. I washed it and everything. So yeah, anyway. So I finally made it to Aldi again. I got this one. This one is rose water sangria. This smells so good, and I'm mad because they only had one. I got vanilla. Smells so good. I don't like food smells, but that one is okay. Cocoa Cove. I got. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. This is like, I would put this in a bathroom. That smells so good. Yeah, I got me some of these. Those are good. This for my raisin bread, and I got some gherkins. Home Goods. From Home Goods, I need to put this stuff away. Some coffee. Oh, update on this coffee, the Madagascar vanilla. I hated it. I haven't drank this coffee since I brought it. So, I don't know. I'm gonna give those away. I got the breakfast blend Starbucks. But yeah, so I'm dropping stuff. So yeah, Gina put this on her channel a couple of vlogs ago. She posted on her channel these right here. So I said I'm gonna try them. So it's the cinnamon roll and the pumpkin spice. Thanks, Gina. And I just got some glasses from the dollar store. Some martini glasses. Listen, y'all. Don't sleep on the 99-cent store. The quality of these glasses, y'all, are so good. And it was only $1. And you could use this to make martinis. I brought 2. You can use this to make martinis. You can use this to make little sundaes, iced coffee if you're fancy. And everybody must be up on them glasses because the last time I went in there, it was so many glasses. This time I went in there, it was hardly any. I like this wig. More hair. I swear, when you get cheap, when you pay cheap, you get cheap. Cause I swear, this right here keep getting static. It be sitting just like this. I washed it, but it still got like that baby doll hair smell. I don't like it. But yeah. So that's it, y'all. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace. Setup. So, yesterday I was telling y'all that I got a project that I want to work on. I want to so I need the spray paint because the spray paint that I ordered offline is not going to be here until the 18th, and my beads is going to be here today, and they're not here yet. So I said, let me just run out. Get what I need. Get what I need to get. So, if y'all see how I had to do this, I had to put a stocking cap on my head to lay my head down so I could put my hat on. So, yeah. I'm looking a little rough today, but it's alright. Oh, I only used it once. That's how sensitive my skin is. It only take one time. That is not the lint. Back. Why y'all ain't tell you my tag was hanging out my hat, y'all? Y'all supposed to look out for your girl now. Y'all can't just be having me out here in these streets looking crazy. You gotta let me know.
I'm calling you now, just to make it through. Friends may come and friends may go, but you should know that I got your back. It's automatic, so never hesitate to go. 'Cause I'm your sister, and always for you. And don't know what I'd ever do without you from the beginning till the end. You've always been here right beside me, so I'll call you my best friend through the good times and the bad. 'Cause whether
I got this apple crisp macchiato. It smells good. Let's see. I swear, it just looks so pretty. It smells good. The top back on right. Ooh, I swear. That's good. Let me go to Michael's. Probably would have been real good iced. I should have got this iced. I don't know why I got hot. It's not even cold outside. It's good though. Is it raining or is my windows dirty? And it look like rain. Yeah, I'm tripping, y'all. She looking at me like I'm crazy. Yeah, I need to clean my car. My car's dirty. Yep, that's where I just came from. To show y'all, since I'm at a light, look at these pumpkins for $1. Going to Home Depot. I was watching this plant lady who plants her plants inside teacups, and I have a tea set that my mother gave me when I was a teenager. This little teacup with the little plate, and I'm like, I'm never gonna use it. I could use it and put some succulents in it, and then I would have use of it, right? Because I thought that was the cutest idea. Y'all, I can't even tell y'all how I be ending up in these stores. I went to Michael's to get my paint, y'all, for my project. Yo, I have a thing for the bathtubs that look like this. Like, this is like a dream for me to have one of these tubs in my house. So when I saw this, I thought it was the cutest thing. The color's not all that, but baby, I'm gonna spray paint this. But my plan for this is to use it as a planter. I'm gonna find some succulents because this don't have no drainage, of course. So I'm gonna find some succulents that don't need drainage or whatever. We're gonna figure it out and sit it inside here. I think that's gonna be so cute. But I am going to spray paint this matte black. She look mad. Y'all.
Hey, Mama, what you doing?
Not with the bonnet. Ooh. The reusable bag. Oh, y'all. I had to get some groceries. Because I want a salad. But, I don't want to pay all that money for no salad when I could just make one right